found us! Oh God, they found us! We will not fail her. We won't.
There has to be a better way to live than this, Anita. I can't keep doing this every morning.
What do you suggest we do instead? Did you hear that? It sounds like a baby.
Wait, listen! I hear something! What is it?
What is it? Be careful, Anita.
Solange, come here. Now! How could she be alive? What have you brought into this house?
We found her in the forest. She was all alone, Mama.
We can't even feed ourselves. How can we feed another mouth?
Please, just for a little while.
Look at her. She deserves to live. We will share what little we have. She is one of us now. Her fate is our fate.
Zibere, my child, the storm cannot harm you.
There's someone out there. Stay with the child.
Ancient power awakens. The light reveals the truth.
That is too much for the cloth. It is the finest weave. I cannot go lower. Come look at these yams. We need to sell these. We must eat tonight. Look, what is that? Get back, everyone, get back! It's moving! Someone fell. An old man. Go, give them this water. Zibere! No! No!
Look! He has fallen!
Is he breathing?
The child. Look how she moves. It is unnatural. Let me pass.
That's my daughter!
She touched him. He breathed again.
She is just a child. Leave her be.